this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a social media hub that's called Fall in Love with Fall, and there's my inspiration, and there's the prize that you will get, that you can register to win, or get yourself name in. And what it is that Lisa over at Pink Glitter Stamper reached out to a bunch of us to do a YouTube hop, and she is going to give out the Forever Fall collection from Simple Stories with a couple other little things with it as a giveaway. And so what you have to do is that you have to like each video, subscribe to each one of us if you want to that is participating, so that you can get into the giveaway, and then comment on all of us YouTubers that what is your favorite thing about fall. So that is the giveaway, and then obviously you have your chance to win. So I am doing my process video about my favorite cup that I use a ton during the fall. And here I am, I'm doing mixed media. And you already saw that I put some splatters down. I grabbed out Vicky Bouton's collection, watercolor collection. And I grabbed a blue and a red color. And what I did was that I watered it down, put some splatters on, and then I took a little small spray bottle and sprayed it so that I could get this look. And I'm just going over and over. I'm going to do it with the two different colors, and then I just spray, and I spray, and I spray, and then it becomes this color. And then I just do it some more, and then I spray some more, and here's the red. And watch how this activates it. And it spreads it around. It just goes around and does it. And then I just blow dry it to get it spread out so that there is somewhat of a look to it. Like I'm not saying an even look, but a look. And I'm just going around and getting it dabbed up a little bit. I use the old Close to My Heart heat tool that they have, or that they did have. They've got a new one now, but and I just get it to spray, and like I said, I just spray, or I put it down, spray, put it down, spray, dry, and that kind of stuff. And then I wait for it to dry. I get it the way I want, and this doesn't wreck because the book, the Traveler's Notebook insert that I'm doing this in is from Rock Your Notebook, and I asked for the mixed media paper to go in, so it doesn't do any damage to it. Then I got out the Kaiser Craft, the mini designer template. It's like a splatter, but to me this looks like a coffee cup stain. The first set that I put down is an opaque look because I kind of wanted this as a template because this is where my picture's going to go, so I wanted it to kind of show through, but because I'm covering most of it up, I was okay with it just being clear because I needed it as my template so that I can place my white splatters where I get out the modeling paste right there to place down the rings so that you can really see it outside of the splatters that I put down on the background. I hope that you have been enjoying this. If you're following it to the, following it and started with Lisa, I'm 5th in line. If you haven't followed the line, welcome to my channel. If you have not been a subscriber yet, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the like button, obviously. And here it is. All of the stuff is done. And now I get out 2 of the Ink Road stamp sets that I just purchased, and they're both all about coffee. So I grab one of them that looks like a Frappuccino that says a cup of Get SHIT done. Another one that I grab is May Your Coffee Kick In Before Reality Does. Maybe Swearing Will Help. Another one is I Can't Brain Today, I As the Dumb. That was off of one of them. And then the other one I grab is What She Tackles, She Conquers. I Love You, You Idiot. People are particularly stupid today. I cannot talk any more of them. I'm afraid once your heart is involved, it all comes out in a moron. And then the last one that I use is I Need Caffeine, Whatever Form You've Got It. And it's just a picture of me and my favorite cup. One day I was just frustrated with a bunch of things, just with school and just life in general. And I happened to snap this picture, and it actually turned out really well. I like how dark it is, but my favorite cup is showing, and all you can see is my nose just literally peeking over the top of it with my glasses, and it just turned out to be a perfect picture for me. So, of course, I had to put it in my coffee traveler's notebook insert, and I'm really enjoying inserts as much as I hope you guys are liking them. And here I am, I'm just placing these down. I got out my archival black from Close to My Heart, and I should have put down the foam earlier underneath, and I didn't, so I have to cover up this stamp that didn't work like I wanted it to, and I place it with a little, it's like a coffee cup with some flowers in it. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just sampling down, and I really don't have a title per se for this. I have more of, what's the right word I want to say? I just wanted all of these feelings and mementos on this page to stick out. So everything that the stamp says, or the stamps that I used on this page, is kind of my title. But I think what I'll probably call this, like as a process video, is my favorite. I love you, you idiot. I think that one's going to be my title, because I think it's just perfect. And I only stamped that once, where all of the other ones, except for the people are particularly stupid today, I cannot talk to any more of them. That one I only stamped once as well. But the rest of them I've done multiple different spots. And the still shots are coming up. I do some sequence mix, and I do a lot of those off camera because I did a lot of mixed media for you. And make sure you go check out everybody else. And I hope that you guys have a fantastic Monday, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!